Introducing the new Huxford HFSD50 mini countertop display freezer with HD video screen. This display freezer is rated -14 to 18 degrees Celsius with a 50-liter capacity and features a high-definition LCD video screen as the light box. The video plays HD video from an SD card, USB, or HDMI input. The screen and internal light can be turned off overnight to conserve energy. Perfect for the summer heat and sales of ice cream and other frozen items. It is ideal for point-of-sale locations and easily fits on any counter. Also available in white, with a minimum order of 50 units, and optional, quality custom stickers or decals. Please check the comments for the detailed product specifications on our website www.huxford.com.au.